Yes, student, the next content is percentage composition. Percentage composition means a compound is made up of at least two type of constituents, that is two type of components. Okay, in percentage component we are finding how many percent of one component is present in that compound with respect to second component, or if there are more number of components, whenever we can find the percentage of each and every component, okay, forms that compound. Example, what percentage of calcium, carbon and oxygen is present in limestone, okay, or we can say calcium carbonate. You know that limestone is called calcium carbonate. So here we have to find percentage of calcium, carbon and oxygen. Okay, so the formula to find percentage composition is percentage composition of an element is equal to atomic mass of element divided by molar mass of compound whole multiplied by 100. That is what? That is, here we require atomic mass, we require molar mass, and then we have to multiply by 100. Get it? So for that, in 10th class I told you, you must have to learn atomic number and atomic masses up to at least 36 element. Here we are going to utilize all these knowledge. Okay, like here, atomic mass of calcium, it is 40. Atomic mass of carbon, it is 12. Atomic mass of oxygen, one atom of oxygen, it is what? 16. So this is atomic mass. Okay, and molar mass. Now how do we find molar mass? So molar mass is what? Atomic, the sum of atomic mass, that is calcium plus carbon plus 3 number of O. So calcium is what? 40 plus carbon is what? 12. Remember, atomic mass of carbon is 12. It is the natural most abundant isotope we are finding. Okay, into 3 into 16. This is what? 16 is equal to 16 3 is 48. So it is equal to, now 40 plus 12 is equal to 52, and then 60, and this is what? 100. So this is the molar mass. Now start placing value. Percentage of Ca is equal to atomic mass of element. What is atomic mass of Ca? This is 40 multiplied by overall molar mass 100 multiplied by what? 100. So it is equal to 40%. Okay. Percentage of carbon is equal to, so 12 divided by molar mass 100 multiplied by 100 is equal to 12. And percentage of oxygen, that is 3 atom of oxygen are there, therefore now we will use there 36 multiplied by 100 into 100 is equal to 36. Isn't it? 16 3 is 48, so that will be what? 48. So now add it, it will become overall what? 100. So in this way you can find out the percentage composition. Like one more question, find percentage of carbon and hydrogen in CH4, that is methane. Okay, so percentage of carbon is equal to atomic mass is 12 divided by molar mass. Now the molar mass is 12 plus 4 is equal to 16. So this is what? 16 multiplied by 100. Okay, you do solve it. Okay, percentage of hydrogen is equal to Now there are 4 hydrogens, so 4 into 4 is equal to 4 divided by 16 multiplied by 100. So get the value. Are you getting? Now again we can solve few more questions, like your question, find percentage of C, that is carbon and oxygen, in which compound? Suppose this is what? CO2 compound. So what to do? Percentage of C is equal to atomic mass divided by molar mass multiplied by 100. You will get the answer. Percentage of oxygen. Now how many oxygen atoms are there? 2 oxygen atoms are there. Therefore 16 to the 32. So this is atomic mass 32 upon 44 multiplied by 100. You will get the answer. Okay. Similarly, if you have to find percentage of H and O in H2O, that is here in water. So percentage of H2 is equal to molar mass is 2 divided by what? 18, 16, and 16 and plus 2 18 multiplied by 100. You can get the answer. Similarly, percentage of oxygen is equal to 1 atom is there only, so its atomic mass is 16 divided by 18 multiplied by 100. You will get the answer.